How to create Facebook account without getting disabled. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, then click on create new account. Click on get started. Add your first name and your last name. Both of your names should be valid name. Click on next and then add your birthday. Click on next again and then add your gender and press on next. In here, add sign up with your email. Your email should be valid one. After you click on next, you need to create a password. After you have created password, you will find mail of Facebook. Simply click on verify my mail and your account will not get disabled. This is how to create Facebook account without getting disabled. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.